how to deactivate Instagram account and active it again. Okay, let's start. At first, go to Instagram app on your device. Tap on profile icon. Tap on three-line menu and then tap on account center. Scroll down little bit. Tap on personal details and tap on account ownership and control. Then tap on deactivation or deletion. Choose your account. Make sure deactive account select. Tap on continue. Scroll down. Tap on continue. Now enter your password and tap on continue. And choose a region. Scroll down, tap on continue. Scroll down, tap on continue. Tap on deactivate account to complete the process. And now active Instagram account again. Type your username, email or mobile number and password. Just click on login. Just wait. Your account will be automatically active. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.